Over the last several years, up until recently, it has been very hard to source these 10x14 and 8x10 steel pans, ever since they stopped producing the blue steel pans back in 2010. Steel seasoned pans have been used to bake authentic Detroit-style pizzas for the last 70 years, going all the way back to the 1940s, where this type of pan originally was used on the assembly line in the auto industry. These steel pans are available bare or seasoned and come in two different sizes, 10x14 and 8x10. They are made with 26 gauge steel with reinforced rim. These steel pans retain heat for a perfect caramelized crust, color, and texture. They are built specifically for baking authentic Detroit-style pizzas. When you receive your pan, it comes with a seasoned steel pan instruction sheet. Here are some important notes. These seasoned steel pans are made for commercial use, where appearance is secondary to performance. You'll see intentional marks in the finish of the pan from our coating process, usually around the rim or the bottom of the pan. The pan is non-toxic and consists of 100% canola and vegetable oil blend. We do not polish or remove any mill marks in the steel, as this would not affect the performance and just increase cost. If you purchase the seasoned pans, they come seasoned and ready to go. Before you use them, you must oil them very well with a brush or paper towel using canola or vegetable oil. Make sure you get the corners, the bottom, and the sides really good. The pan should not come into contact with water and always be stored in a dry area. These pans retain heat very well, so be careful and handle with caution when cooking. We suggest using a pan gripper and pan spatula to cook with when using the pans. Pan grippers and pan spatulas can be found on DetroitStylePizza.com's website. We will be uploading videos on how to re-season the pans and how to season the bare pans, and also the history of the pan. So please subscribe, and thanks again for watching.